Check it out.
Room was clean.
Anything?
His truck was wired. His phone was wired. And I killed them both.
Jesus Christ.
Opie has turned on us. This has got to happen, Clay.
Jackson will never be able to hurt him. Take this to a vote. I've seen this shit before. I mean, this kind of shit that can crush a charter.
Then we do it quiet. Me and you. For Bobby. For the club.
We need total deniability. This death never lands at our feet.
I understand. What's going on?
I'm just catching Tig up on what he missed.
Yeah, it's all good, brother. It's all good. Everything Opie said. You believe him, right? I mean, he's clear of this shit now.
Of course. I love Opie too, bro. Come on. Let's go join the party, huh?